Sing Paw Paw Patch with me. Ready, begin. Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. With the beat, ready, begin. Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. Now the rhythm of the words. Ready, clap. Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. You've done lots of analyzing and discussing the song with Miss Nipper, so let's review a few things. How many beats are in each phrase? Remember, a phrase is a sentence in music. There are 4 phrases in this song. Do you remember how many beats there are in every phrase? 4. Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? And the first 3 phrases are the same, so I'm going to skip on down to the last one. Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. Then, last week, you talked about how many sounds you heard on each beat. And you figured out last week that that 3rd beat had the most number of sounds in it. Where, oh, where is pretty little? And there's that beat that has 4 sounds. And you figured out last week that all the other beats on the first 3 phrases just have 2 sounds. So let's clap and sing this one again. And this time, could you keep your eyes on the screen and just keep it in your brain which beats have 2 sounds, which beats have 4 sounds. Ready to clap. Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. So there's this mystery rhythm in this song. You already know that anytime there's just one sound on a beat, that's a quarter note, and we say do for quarter notes. Anytime that you hear no sounds on a beat, you know that's a quarter rest. Anytime you hear 2 sounds on a beat, those are 8th notes, do day. So this is where you got last week with Miss Nipper. Do day, lulu, do day. And here is this mystery rhythm that we know has 4 sounds on a beat. So today, dun dun dun, you're going to learn what those mystery rhythms are. So, would you, before I get to the mystery, would you read, using your do days and your do's, the whole Pretty Little Susie? And for the mystery note here, could you just sing Lou? Ready, here we go. Do day, lulu, lulu, do day, lulu, lulu, do day, lulu, lulu, do day, lulu, lulu, do. Gasp! Our mystery rhythms are called 16th notes. 16th notes are a quarter of a beat. And so we usually see 16th notes in groups of 4. Now let's talk a little bit about note parts. This part of the note right here is called the note head. This part of the note right here is called the stem. So quarter notes, if you think about what a quarter note looks like, you know that quarter notes have a note head and a stem. And then these little fancy things right here are called the flags. Now, 16th notes have 2 flags. I want to show you this right here. You might know what these are. 8th notes. So 8th notes have a note head and stems. Here's a flag on an 8th note. On an 8th note, 8th notes just have the 1 flag, and 8th notes are connected. So when we want to do 2 8th notes together, we connect them together with something called a beam. I'm going to flip back to the 16th notes now. So 16th notes have 2 flags. Look at what happens when we want to group the 16th notes in groups of 4. Music loves the number 4. So 16th notes will have 2 beams. 8th notes just have 1 beam. All right, so take a look at this group of 4 16th notes. So we always keep our do. We always keep our day. To read 16th notes, we're just going to add a ta. There's a ta after do and a ta after day. It takes a little practice, but once you get used to it, it's pretty fun to say. So here's how you read 16th notes. Do, ta, day, ta. Try it with me. Ready, go. Do, ta, day, ta. One more time. Here we go. Do, ta, day, ta. All right, now that you've got that, let's try some patterns that use 16th notes. I'll say a 4-beat pattern, and you say it back to me. Do day, do day, do ta day ta do day, do day, do day, do ta day ta do day, do day do ta day ta do, do day do ta day ta do ta day ta do ta day ta do day do. Ready, go. Do ta day ta do ta day ta do day do. Last one. Do ta day ta do do ta day ta do. The mystery is solved. Here is the first phrase of Paw Paw Patch. Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? And now you can read it. Listen to me read it. Do day, do ta day ta do day. Now you know the 16th notes. 4 sounds on a beat are called 16th notes. There will be 4 note heads, 4 stems, and 2 beams. All right, here's what the whole song looks like. So I'd like to do this with you a couple of times. First time, just listen to me read and sing it. Here I go. Do day, do ta day ta do day, do day, do ta day ta do day, do day, do ta day ta do day, do ta day ta do day, do. All right, are you ready to try it with me? Here goes. Ready to sing and read. Do day, do ta day ta do day, 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 do. The 16th note. Hooray!